To my fellow students, to the school principal, to all teachers, parents, and visitors, good evening. We are all here today to witness the kindergarten graduation ceremony of La Escuela del Niño Jesus. For me, the Escuela became my second home for the 3 years of studying here. It is such an honor for me to be a part of this school. From Monday to Friday are my favorite days. I always love to be with teachers, and especially my classmates. When Saturday and Sunday comes, I just felt sad. I always love to go to school every day. I have learned so many good things from this school, not just academics, but also the good values that I can always bring with me wherever I go. Even though I am pasaway most of the time, I still to it that I still respect my teachers, and especially my classmates. Yes. Thank you so much, teachers, for your patience in teaching us. It was easy for me